If you look at the question, in this question we need to find the number of all possible matrices of order. Suppose the order is 2 into 2 with the entries, if the entries are 0, 1 and 2. So what will be the number of all possible matrices here? The formula is, Anirudh, you have to give the answer for this. The formula for this one is, to find out the number of possible matrices written here, the number of all possible matrices equal to number of entries power the order of the matrix. Yes. If it is 2 into 2 with entries 0, 1, 2, what will be the possible matrices? Anirudh. Okay, let me tell you, it's 3 power 2 into 2. It is equal to 3 power 4. Yes, Harsh Upadhyay, if I change the question, if I write it here 3 into 3, suppose if I write it in here 3 into 4, so what will be the answer in this case now? No need to calculate, you can tell the answer in the form of power also.
3 की power 12.
Yes, it's 3 power 12. So 3 is the number of entries equal to 3 and we need to multiply the order. Its answer is 3 power 12. Yes, it's right. Jess, if I change the question again, if I write it here, if the entries are, if the order is 2 into 4 and entries are 9, 8, 7 and 6, if these are the entries, so how many total possible matrices are there?
4. Sir, 4 की power 8.
Yes, it's 4, number of entries are 4 and multiplied the order 2 into 4. Yes, it's 4 power 8. That's the right answer. Now again, if I change the question, Himanshi, if I write it here, if the order of the matrix is 5 into 5 and with the entries are 0, 1, 2. So what is the answer in this case? Number of possible matrices.
3 power 25.
Yes, it's 3 power 5 into 5. Yes, right. 3 power 5 into 5. The answer in this case is 3 power 25. Yes, Ria, could you please tell me, if I change the order here, if I change the entries, if the entries is only 2, 2 is the entries, with entry 2, the number 2, how many total possible matrices are there?
So 1.
1 power 5 into 5, 25, it's equal to only one matrix is possible. If we fill the 2 with 2 numbers, if it is like this, 5 into 5, if you fill the 2 numbers, it is a matrix like this, 5 into 5. Only 2 we need to fill, so only a single matrix is there. I hope this topic is now clear to you all. So last question, if I change the order, if I change again the order here, order of the matrix, and order is 1 into 1 with entries 5, 4, with entries 5, 4. Aprajita, could you please tell me this?
So it will be 2.
Okay, it's 2 power 1 into 1. Yes, it's right. It's equal to 2. It's right. Now, if I change again the question, the last question, Arman Ali, if I change the entries here, 5 into 4 and these entries are 3, 4, 6. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please bio का link send कर दो.
Okay. Yes, 5 into 4, Arman Ali, could you please tell me this? 5 into 4, 3, 4, 6. Yes, Himanshi Chauhan. If it is, what is the answer in this case? If the order is 5 into 4 and entries are 3, 4, 6.
So 3 power 20.
3 power 20 is the right answer. Yes. So I hope this topic is clear to you. I have